Imagine an animal so large that its heart alone weighs as much as a car. Picture a creature whose sheer size dwarfs even the largest of dinosaurs. This is the blue whale, the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. In today's video, we'll dive into the incredible world of the blue whale, exploring its awe-inspiring size, unique biology, fascinating behaviors, and its critical role in maintaining the health of our oceans. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have existed. These gentle giants can reach lengths of up to 100 feet, about the size of 2 school buses parked end to end, and weigh as much as 200 tons. That's more than 33 elephants combined. Not only does the blue whale outsize every living animal today, but it also surpasses the size of any dinosaur that ever roamed the Earth. So what allows these giants to grow to such massive proportions, and how do they survive in the vast oceans of our planet? Let's begin by taking a closer look at the blue whale's anatomy. One of the most mind-blowing facts about the blue whale is the size of its heart. Weighing around 400 pounds, about the size of a small car, the heart of a blue whale pumps more than 50 gallons of blood with every beat. To put that into perspective, the average human heart weighs less than a pound. The blue whale's heart beats very slowly, only about 5 to 6 times per minute, but it's incredibly powerful, enabling blood to circulate through its massive body. Next, let's talk about the whale's powerful tail, or flukes. Despite their size, blue whales are remarkably agile in the water, using their tail to propel themselves at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour in short bursts. Their lungs are equally impressive. Blue whales can hold up to 1,300 gallons of air in their lungs, allowing them to dive to depths of over 1,500 feet and remain underwater for up to 30 minutes before needing to surface. Another key adaptation is their blubber, which is a thick layer of fat under the skin. This blubber insulates their bodies in cold waters and serves as an energy reserve, allowing them to survive long migrations across the oceans. Feeding a creature of this size is no easy task. So how does the largest animal on Earth find enough food to survive? Blue whales are baleen whales, meaning they filter feed using baleen plates, hundreds of comb-like structures made of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. When feeding, a blue whale will take in up to 50 tons of water in a single gulp, along with millions of tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Using its tongue, the whale pushes the water out through the baleen, trapping the krill inside. This method of filter feeding allows the blue whale to consume up to 4 tons of krill each day during feeding season. That's the equivalent of a human eating around 70,000 Big Macs every day. And despite their enormous size, blue whales survive almost entirely on these tiny creatures. Krill are one of the most abundant species on Earth, and blue whales time their migrations to match the movements of krill swarms, traveling to nutrient-rich waters where these tiny animals thrive. Blue whales are highly migratory animals, traveling thousands of miles each year between their feeding and breeding grounds. During the summer, they travel to cold, nutrient-rich waters where krill are abundant. In the winter, they migrate to warmer waters to breed and give birth. These journeys can take them across entire ocean basins, from the polar regions to the tropics. But despite the vast distances they travel, blue whales have a unique way of staying connected with one another through their incredible vocalizations. Blue whales produce some of the loudest sounds in the animal kingdom. Their low-frequency calls can travel for hundreds of miles through the ocean. These songs are thought to help whales communicate with one another over long distances, and they play a critical role in mating and navigation. Blue whale mothers are known to use these calls to communicate with their young, guiding them through the ocean during their first year of life. Speaking of young, let's take a moment to appreciate just how massive blue whale calves are. When a blue whale calf is born, it's already around 25 feet long and weighs up to 3 tons, about the same weight as an adult hippo. During the first few months of life, the calf will consume about 100 gallons of its mother's milk each day, gaining up to 200 pounds per day. The bond between mother and calf is strong, and the young whale will stay with its mother for up to a year before venturing out on its own. Blue whales are slow to reproduce, with females giving birth only once every 2 to 3 years. They also have long lifespans, living up to 90 years in the wild. This slow reproductive rate makes them particularly vulnerable to population declines. Despite their massive size, blue whales play a vital role in the health of marine ecosystems. As they feed on krill, they help regulate the population of these tiny creatures, which in turn affects the entire food web. But blue whales also have another, less glamorous but equally important role. When they defecate, their waste releases vital nutrients into the ocean, which help fertilize the water and support the growth of phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are the foundation of the marine food chain and produce a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. Sadly, blue whales were once hunted to the brink of extinction during the 19th and 20th centuries. Commercial whaling decimated their populations, and it's estimated that nearly 99% of blue whales were killed during this time. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the blue whale. If you enjoyed learning about these majestic creatures, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite fact about the blue whale.